If you want to brighten the video in CapCut quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make your footage lighter using CapCut's built-in adjustment tools so your videos look cleaner, clearer, and much more professional. This is perfect if your clip came out too dark, if you're fixing indoor footage, or if you just want to improve the overall look of your edit. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or tablet. Once the app loads, start a new project. If you already have a project open, you can use that one too, but for this example, we'll begin from scratch so it's easy to follow along. After that, import the video clip that you want to brighten and add it to your timeline. Now, look at your timeline and tap directly on the video clip. When it's selected, you should see a white border appear around it. That border tells you the clip is active and ready for editing. This step is important because CapCut won't let you adjust the clip properly unless it is selected first. Next, look at the toolbar on the right side of your screen. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may need to scroll to the right to find more editing options. Keep scrolling until you see the adjust option, then tap it. This is where CapCut keeps the color and lighting controls for your video. Once the adjust menu opens, scroll down through the settings until you find brightness or exposure. These are the main controls you'll use to lighten your footage. If your video looks too dark, slowly drag the slider to the right. As you move it, you'll see the video getting brighter in real time, so you can stop exactly when it looks right. If brightness alone doesn't give you the result you want, try exposure as well. Exposure can help lift the overall image and make dark clips more visible without making them look flat. The key is to make small adjustments instead of pushing the slider too far, because if you overdo it, the video can start to look washed out or lose detail. After adjusting the slider, take a moment to preview the clip. Watch it back and see how the brighter look changes the overall feel of the video. If it still needs a little more light, make another small adjustment. If it looks too bright, just drag the slider back slightly until it feels balanced. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the quality of your footage inside CapCut. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing your video as usual. Add text, music, transitions, captions, or any other effects you want. Then, export your finished project and your brightened video will be ready to share on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or anywhere else. So that's how to brighten the video in CapCut using the adjust settings. It only takes a few taps, but it can make a huge difference in how polished your video looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.